2.5 billion screens on the kid. Stop it and get money. Yeah, nigga. 2.5 billion streams, nigga. What you got to say about that, young nigga?
So crazy.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna come in there.
Didn't get the macaroni. I did.
I got most.
It tastes normal but weird. Shout out my boy 52 Savage, man. I nigga one line, boy.
That's great.
What does it taste like?
Exactly what it sounds like.
Like mozzarella stick.
Yeah, it does.
Really out here, man. God, I'm sorry, man. Really here, man. Oh yeah, this is fire. Oh, this is fire. Yo, Jay, this the NBA Jam we gotta play. This the old NBA Jam. But this shit got everybody, bro. Look at the people on this team. Allen Iverson, Reggie Miller, O'Neal, Tracy McGrady. This shit got all the 5 people in it. Jason Kidd, Kevin Garnett on the Timberwolves. I know this shit hard.
You know, it's stupid on